Unraveling the phrase, drown out, mastering English expressions. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, drown out. Whether you've heard it in a song, a movie, or a conversation, understanding this expression will certainly amplify your English skills. So, let's get started. The phrase, drown out, is a phrasal verb, which means it's a combination of a verb and a preposition or adverb that creates a meaning different from the original verb. To drown alone typically refers to the tragic event of dying by submersion in water. However, when we add out, the meaning shifts dramatically. To drown out, something means to make a noise that prevents another sound from being heard. It's like when the sound of the rain drowns out the noise of traffic. It doesn't have to be just about sounds. It can also be used metaphorically to describe situations where one thing overshadows another. Let's see how drown out works in different sentences. 1. The cheers from the crowd drowned out the referee's whistle. 2. He played loud music to drown out the voices in his head. 3. Her performance was so strong it drowned out all the previous acts. Notice how drown out can be used in both literal and figurative contexts. In these examples, it signifies overpowering or overshadowing something else, whether it's sound or figurative presence. It's easy to confuse drown out with simply drown. Remember, without out, the word drown has a completely different, more somber meaning. Also, drown out is not used to mean physically covering something in liquid, which is a mistake some learners make. Another common error is using drown out in the passive voice incorrectly. You wouldn't say, the whistle was drowned out by the cheers, but rather, the cheers drowned out the whistle. For those of you who love to expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms for drown out. Overpower, overshadow, suppress, muffle. Using these synonyms can help vary your language and make your English sound more natural and fluent. And there you have it. You've now unlocked the meaning of drown out and how to use it in conversation or writing. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Keep practicing, don't let any challenges drown out your enthusiasm for learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!